To the second video. In this course I will teach you Java. You should have probably watched the preliminary video where we talk a bit about Java and IntelliJ IDEA. So if you've installed IntelliJ, you should have ended up in a workspace that looks very similar to this. And to the left here is basically all the project files. And what we're going to do here is right click on the source folder and select new and package. Package is basically where you package all your Java files. So we're going to go ahead and create a new package called first and press OK. Again, we're going to right click on the first package here and select new Java class. And let's name it something descriptive for our video here. And let's call it hello world. Unless class is the default selected value kind here, you can just go ahead and select class and press OK. So now we've created our first class, and this is basically the basic building block for running a program. Usually, if you would right click here, you could see very many different options here in IntelliJ IDEA, and we can see there's a option here for recompiling, and compiling was basically the second step, if you remember from the preliminary video. But we're going to do something else instead. That's gonna pop up a new option here, and in order to do that we need to write a standard method which is called public static void main. You just need to remember that, and this is the standard statement that you should always you're required to have in order to run a program. This is called a method. In particular, this is the entry point for a Java program. Now, since we've written this, we can right click here again on the file and see there are two different new options here. Basically, we're going to click on run hello world and see here that our program was run and didn't print out anything, and it says process finished with exit code 0. That's great. Now, in order to write something for the user, there is a simple statement which is called println, and you write this like so: System.out.println, which is shortened as ln. Then you open and close parentheses. IntelliJ will help you with that. We write double quotation and say hello there user. What we have here is a print statement. What this print statement does is it's gonna print something out for the user in this area below. So we can redo the steps here with right click and run hello world, and we'll see that hello there user is correctly printed out, and this can be repeated once or twice, and each of these lines will print a new message. So go ahead, right click and click on run hello world, and there you have 3 statements. So what we've done now in this video is we created this class hello world, which is the basic building block for any or for a Java program, and we created this main method which is the entry point, and we've demonstrated how you can print a message to the user. That's it for this video, and we'll be looking into objects in the next one. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.